Hello students, today we start circle. Circle. So first of all, what do you mean by circle? So circle is defined as the locus of a point. Circle is defined as the locus of a point. Locus of a point which is equidistant from a fixed point or a constant distance from a fixed point is called a circle. That means if p, x, y be any point on the circle, then the locus of this point, in such a way that the distance of this point from a fixed point is always constant, then the locus is of the form, and this is called a circle. Here the fixed point is called the center of the circle, and the fixed distance or the constant distance is called the radius of the circle. So if hk is the center of the circle and pxy be any point on the circle, and suppose the radius of this circle be r, then we can say that cp is equal to r. The distance between C and P is any point on this circle and C is the fixed point. So the distance between C and P is equal to the constant, that means R. So CP equal to R. And by the distance formula we can say CP equal to root over x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Squaring both sides, we have x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This equation represents a circle with center at hk and radius. This equation, which is the equation of the circle. So if hk is the center of the circle and the radius r, then the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now suppose h equal to 0, k equal to 0, that means the center of the circle is the origin, then we have x square plus y square is equal to r square. That is, if the center of the circle is the origin, then the equation of the circle is x square plus y square equal to r square, where r is the radius of the circle. Okay? Now, see, here the equation of the circle, here you see h, k and r, these are constant. Okay, x and y are variable, but h, k and r three constant which are arbitrary constant. So if you find the equation of a circle, you need three constant h, k and r. So this equation also can be written as x square plus y square minus 2xh minus 2yk plus a square plus k square equal to r square. A square plus a square plus k square equal to r square. Okay. So here we get a second degree equation. Second degree equation in two variables x and y. X and y. Now the second degree equation. The second degree equation. Second degree equation, general equation is the second degree general equation in two variables x and y is of the form ax square by square plus twice 8xy plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the second degree equation in two variables x and y. And this equation will represent a circle if there are two conditions. If there are two conditions. This second degree equation in two variables x and y will represent a circle if there are two conditions. Number one condition is, see, here the coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of y square is 1. If coefficient of x square a and coefficient of y square b, then first condition must be a equal to b. That means the coefficient of x square equal to the coefficient of y square. This is the first condition. And the second condition is here say there is no xy term in this equation circle. There is no xy term. Here x square, y square. This is the term with x. This is the term with y, and these are constant terms. Okay. So in this equation, here xy. But in this equation of the circle, there is no term with xy. So here the second condition is h is equal to 0. That means the coefficient of xy is must equal to 0. H equal to 0. These are the conditions for the equation of a circle. Okay. This is the general equation in two variables, and this will represent a circle if the coefficient of x square is equal to the coefficient of y square and the coefficient of xy is equal to 0, then this represents a circle. Okay. So now we can write the general equation of circle. The general equation of circle, the general equation of the circle is x square plus y square. That means a and b are equal. Suppose equal to 1. Suppose, or if not equal to 1, then we divide by a. Then we get 1. Okay. Plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is called the general equation of the circle. Okay. And this is taken from this equation. Here a and b are equal. That means here ax square plus ay square, and we divide by a. If we divide by a, then here x square, here y square, and a is equal to 0. So this is 0, and here 2 into z by a into x, 2 into f by a into y plus c by a equal to 0, and z by a is a constant, so we can write 2zx also. Okay. So this is called the general equation of a circle. Now, from this equation, we find the center and radius of this circle. So first of all, we separate the x terms and y terms and the constant term. Is equal to minus. Here x term, here y term, and there are constant term. plus 2 into x into z plus we can write plus z square y square 2 into y into f plus f square is equal to minus c plus z square, okay, and plus f square we can write, and from this we can write x plus z whole square, x plus z whole square, and this will y plus f whole square and is equal to f square z square minus c, and this also will be written as square root square, okay. Then this will be the standard equation of the circle. Standard equation is x minus a is whole square plus y minus a whole square is equal to r square. So by comparing this equation to the standard equation of the circle, we can write x minus z whole square, that means a is equal to minus z, plus y minus f whole square is equal to root over square root of x square plus z square minus c whole square. So here we get h and k, and this will be the r. So center of the circle is minus z minus f, and the radius of the circle is root over x square plus z square minus c, okay. So the standard equation of a circle is of the form x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus equal to 0, and the center of this circle is minus z minus f, that means the coefficient of twice x and here coefficient of twice y, and the radius is of the form root over f square z square and minus, okay, minus is equal to radius is root over x square plus z square minus, okay. Now suppose this is a circle in general form, and you need to find the center and radius of the circle. So by comparing this equation by the general equation of the circle, we get f means minus 1, z plus 2, and c minus 3. So the center of this circle is minus z minus f, that means sorry, this is z and this is f, okay. So the center of this equation circle, minus z, that means 1, and minus f, that means minus 2, and the radius of the circle is root over square root of f square plus z square minus c. Minus c means minus plus 3, that means 4 plus 1 5 3 root 8, that means 2 root 2. So center is 1 minus 2 and radius 2 root 2, okay. So this is the general equation of a circle, and this is the general equation in two variable, and this will represent circle if there are two conditions. Number one, the coefficient of x square is equal to the coefficient of y square, and the second condition is the coefficient of x square is equal to 0, okay.